Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to XIAOMI Redmi K40. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to choose Receive on XIAOMI and Send on OPPO. After that, tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on XIAOMI, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into some kind of Files app, for example File Manager on XIAOMI, then click, in my case, Images and tap on Albums. As you can see, Send Anywhere 1 is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!